the buttress on this thing. Oh, there's tons of mosquitoes in here. Generally, we don't have mosquitoes up this high, but there's a shitload in here. This is a giant burl on a bur oak. I didn't even know this was here. It's right behind the barn, off a little bit on an angle. That's awesome. So I'm clearing around this. That's another real big one, but that is what is that? It looks like it's a walnut, but can't be sure from right here. So this is the first bur oak I've found, so I got to look on the ground in the vicinity for babies. But I'm gonna start clearing the trees that are shading this big guy out. He's got nice low branches. This was a Savanna oak. It's probably, it could be 200 years old. You can see some of the lower branches died off a while back, but it's got a nice new one growing right here. So if this is opened up, this is gonna spread back out. That's it for today. Stop back regularly and see the progress of the Oak Savanna project. Hopefully we're gonna get this designed so we can get horses in here to graze it, and or Highland cattle, possibly both of them, so that we can maintain this without coming in and doing a lot of hand maintenance. If we can figure out a way to do that, I think a lot more people would be willing to restore their savannas.